Welcome to MeeLearn-Chinese. Hello, my name is Rose Lee. I'm hosting a Chinese conversational lesson. In this lesson, you will learn how to use the word 吧 to make a suggestion. And you will also learn how to use the question word 几 to ask for time. And lastly, you will learn how to express AM and PM in Chinese.
这个星期天来我家吃蛋糕吧。
好，几点？
下午2点。
好。Measure words are used in between pronouns like 这 which is this, 那 which is that, and nouns. The sentence structure is like this. 这 or 那 plus measure word plus noun. For example, 这个星期天 this Sunday. More examples. 这个人 this person. 那只鸟 that bird. 这条鱼 this fish. 那个老师 that teacher. 这个人有3只狗 this person has 3 dogs. 那个老师有10个学生 that teacher has 10 students. 我的生日是这个星期天 my birthday is on this Sunday. 圣诞节是这个星期六 Christmas is on this Saturday. Using 吧 to make a suggestion, it's similar to shall we or okay in English. For example, 来我家吃蛋糕吧 Come to my house to eat cake, okay? 来吃早饭吧 Come and eat breakfast, okay? 我们吃面包吧 Let's eat bread, shall we? 我们喝果汁吧 Let's drink juice, okay? Using 好 to respond to someone's suggestion, it means okay. For example, 我们吃面包吧 Let's eat bread, shall we? 好 okay. Note here, there are other ways to say yes in this situation, like 行可以 but for now, you're good with 好. How to say no to someone's suggestion? For example, 我们吃面包吧 Let's eat bread, shall we? 不好 no. Alternatives to 不好 are 不行不要 or you can simply give your reasons like 我不饿 I'm not hungry. Using 上午 which is AM or 下午 which is PM plus number 1 to 12 plus 点 which is o'clock to indicate time of the day. China uses both a 12-hour clock and a 24-hour clock. A 24-hour clock is used more in formal situations like in business contracts or news broadcasting. In a less formal situation, a 12-hour clock is used, but we need to add a AM or PM in front of a number to indicate morning or afternoon. For example, in formal situations, 3 p.m. will be expressed as 1500, which is 15点, but it will be expressed as 下午3点 in a less formal situation. AM hours are different though. For example, 9 a.m. can be expressed as 上午9点 in both formal and informal situations in spoken and written language.
This chart shows how hours in a day are divided into different periods and their specific names. Please note that these are just general guidelines, and in real life, these rules are not as strict.
Let's take a look at this chart. 1 a.m. to 6 a.m. 凌晨 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. 早上 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. 上午 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. 中午 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. 下午 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. 傍晚 7 p.m. to 12 a.m. 晚上上午10点 10 a.m. 早上8点 8 a.m. 中午12点 12 noon. 下午4点 4 p.m. 晚上9点 9 p.m. Special notes here. 2 versus 2. When saying 2 o'clock, 2 is used. For example, 2 p.m. is 下午2点. However, if a number contains 2, like 12 a.m., we still use 2. For example, 12 p.m. is 中午12点. 12 a.m. is 晚上12点. More examples. 下午2点, literally afternoon 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. 中午12点, literally noon 12 o'clock, 12 noon. 晚上12点 literally night 12 o'clock, 12 a.m. 凌晨2点 2 a.m. Using question particle 几 to ask about time. For example, 现在是几点 literally now is what time. What time is it now? Note here that 是 can be skipped. To form this question sentence, what time is it now? Again, we are going to start from a statement. 现在是9点 It is 9 o'clock now. Simply take away that 9 and replace it with the question word 几 You get what time is it now? 现在是几点现在是几点 What time is it now? 现在是下午4点 It is 4 p.m. now. 今天来我家吃晚饭吧 Today, come to my house to eat dinner, okay? 好，几点 Okay, what time? 晚上7点 7 p.m. 明天早上我们去喝咖啡吧 Tomorrow morning we go and drink coffee, okay? 好，几点 Okay, what time? 9点9 a.m. Now it's time to review. 这个星期天 This Sunday. 8. A particle for making suggestions. 蛋糕 Cake. 来我家吃蛋糕吧 Come to my house to eat cake, okay? 这个星期天来我家吃蛋糕吧 Come to my house to eat cake this Sunday, okay? 好 Okay. 几 question word, loosely translated as which or what. 点 o'clock. 几点 What time? 上午 morning. 中午 noon. 下午 afternoon. 上午9点 9 a.m. 中午12点 12 noon. 下午2点 2 p.m. Now it's time for a culture tip. Most people in China live in apartment buildings. The direct translation of apartment is 公寓. But if you're inviting friends over, it will be weird to say, come to my apartment, 来我的公寓. So in our dialogue, 来我家 is translated into come to my house. It doesn't really mean that this person lives in a house. It's just come to my place or come to my home. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you're enjoying it. Bye!